Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon for March 2025 Part 3. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down link below. And also the link that we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So let's get started. So we have Anyone. This is like a furry, kind of furry figure anime. We got a lot of stuff that's happening. So this will be the March one. We got from Zero Zone Zentless. I think these two are from the Zootopia ones as well. You also got this one. If you're interested in furry type art, there's Luna. Another one. There's 2B ones too that I do like. If you're interested, go check them out. DM Stash, this is for D&D. For figures, you may find some proxies for your Warhammer for this. Sorry, it's taking a while to load. So we have the Barian Inquisition. So I think a lot of gunslingers. Looks like looking at them with a lot of guns and big ass weapons. Your terrain module set and my angel. Air angel. I know you want to be with daddy. But with your too much. So we got Depth of Evocation, Righteous Inquisitor, the People's Blade, Knight of Inquisition, Eldritch Beast of the Death, Blood Pack Warlock, Psionic Dark Inquisition, Gunslinger. So we also got magic users as well. If it loads. Always have problem loading. There are your campaign books and your stats, mats. I think I already saw this in the last video, but we're just going to do a little skim through of it. You know, it's very detailed in many ways. If you're interested, let me know. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to paint too. Great Grimoire. There looks to have a Kickstarter they're doing right now. You got 48 hours to go look them up. Looks like Beauty and the Beast, Snow White, stuff like that. And this is the Lost Soul. So you have Ghost, Undead style. Pretty cool looking. You probably could put this in your Elden Ring or Dark Soul campaign or for your D20 setup if you're interested in doing that. Making Talon. This is a terrain. Let's see here. So we have trees and bases, but looks like we're having a tree house. Look like it for March, a tree of eternal Virgil. So we're having some kind of elven tree looking thing that we're probably going to be doing. Still work in progress. I said that's pretty cool in many ways. 3D Moon, nice anime figure. So we got Seiya from High School of the Dead. That's coming up nicely. We got solo leveling Chiha. So we have solo level Chiha. And let's see here, we got Mitsuri. I'm sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing a lot of the names. That's not really American, but if this shit loads too. I think you guys can see it perfectly well from there. But yeah. So from Demon Slayer. Then there's one more. I think Dark Magician Girl. We'll be getting to. They got the lewd version as well if you're interested in that. But anyhow, let's go to the next one. Bruno Art 3D. Another figure as well. This will be March that they have out. Power Girl. Was it Power? Yeah, Power. We got also this. Forgot her name from Evangelion. But yeah, Tron. Whole bunch of good stuff if you're interested. Azurma. Let's see here. Main reward. Alyssa. Yeah, that's would be a far away. Pretty ready. Put in Mistress Bringing. A lot of stuff. Trying to figure out what's our thing for March. That's February rewards. March. So this will be our March reward for the figure one as well. Yes, Monster. Try to get a better picture of it. That's April. April. Mag Lord, she's thick. March. So S and Tang. Chung Li. That's your female Punisher. Let's see here. What's this? Empress Lestine. Fan made. Kingpin. And Poison Ivy. And I think that'll be it for this month for them. And another Angel came back. Angel, you got Angel Butt on air. Robin Art Workshop. That are figure and D&D stuff. So we have a look at a Succubus pinup. You can see it paint different color scheme on that. And we have figures you can use for your game or D&D. So you have a Misma Chalk. Some kind of spellcaster. It's gonna be like a monk class. Hector Hutt, Raven Gray, and Joel Avery. I like the anime style figures for D&D stuff, but you can do whatever you guys want. Hyperion Studio. Let's see here. Terms of March 2025. We don't need that. Sneak peek. So this would be a sneak peek for this month. It's from Azure Lane. Bismarck from Azure Lane. And this is a March and April sneak peek as well. So you might get an extra model or two for March. That looks pretty damn good. So this would be the March one, and this would be the April one. That's good. Abby 3D, another figure one as well. March. So we have Sue Storm, White Rabbit, Velma, Lewis Lane, Grimoire, Gwenpool, Cammy, and this is our welcome pack from Mai, Fubuki, Lady Death, and Storm for your figures. So if you guys are interested in figures, I've been getting a lot of comments about figures where I get them. I do the monthly ones. You guys can check these guys out. They're pretty good in many ways. Fella Pyramid, that's from the hentai series. That's also a hentai series as well. It looks like you got Soifon, Cut, Android 18. So we have Soifon for this, for Monji. And wow, we're getting a lot of hentai figures, looks like it. This is Asteroid from How to Train a Dragon. There we go, better one. How You Train a Dragon. There's one more, I think. This is from Berserk. Well, I'm not going to take. It's going to take a while. And this is Naruto's mom, as well. Deco figurines for March. We got Evelyn. Looks like it. She's like one of the new characters. She's pretty thick. And there's one more. I think also this one too that's coming out from Solo Leveling as well. She's also very thick. Taurus Mini. This is released. Carmen Sandiego, Mai, Queen of Blade. Do not know what these two are from in many ways. And Angel keep coming back to me. Finding attention in many ways. Yeah, check out, Tora Bob Minis. Miles Studio, another figure. I don't have anything out for March. I think it's Marin from Darksider. But I think there's a lot more too that's coming out. Usually you used to do the voting for this, but oh, there we go. Here's the voting. March 2025. Let's see who won. Lucifer Helltaker. Looks like it. Which one is that? Oh, that one. That's going to be coming out this month. I think this will be the last one for the video. Man, I love figures. There was a whole bunch that's coming out. This is number 6. I think that's for term 41. This is term 40 right now. That's where we're at for them. We got Scarlet from Overlord. A lot of loot stuff and regular. I'm trying to scroll down as fast as I can. Here we go. Oh, that's loot. Well, you can go check them out yourselves in many ways. A lot of female figures and stuff like that. This is going to be term 42. I think this one's going to be for April. That's going to be having out as well. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.